Namaste. This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to create this very beautiful quilled Singhasan and quilled Mushak. Isn't it looking very beautiful and vibrant? And this is very easy to create. So this is the second part of the Ganpati video. For this we need some purple, grey and red color craft paper, mount board or cardboard, ruler, some stones, some ball chains and pearl chains, some blue color teardrop stones, scissor, pencil, quilling tool, liquid glue, one rounder, 5 mm dark blue color and grey 3 mm quilling strips. First I am taking this piece of mount board which measures 13 by 12 centimeter, and from the lower part I am marking on 3 centimeter. Just make a line by joining these points. Now find out the center and using this center I am making one semicircle like this. Now cut this semicircle using your scissor. Like this. In the same way I have cut one mount board piece which measures 13 by 7 centimeter. Now I am wrapping this semicircle using red color craft paper. This is done. Now I am taking the same size semicircle craft paper. This is a designer craft paper and I am connecting on top of this semicircle. So that will be the back side of the Singhasan. In the same way I have connected designer paper and red paper on this piece of mount board. Now I am taking dark blue color 5 mm strips and here I have joined total 8 strips together. I am making one big tight coil. Just secure the end. Here I am making the load or the cushion. Now I am taking my quilling mold and just making one dome shape. Add glue inside this dome and spread this using brush. Like this. In the same way I have created one more dome using same procedure. Now I am taking one piece of craft paper. This is a 21 by 5.5 centimeter craft paper and I am just rolling it in a pipe shape. The size of roll should be same as your dome shape. So just add glue and secure this pipe. So this is done. Now I am wrapping this pipe using one purple color craft paper. add glue and secure it. Now I am adding these domes on both the sides by adding some glue. Let it dry for some time. So the load is ready. In the same way, I have created one more load with the same procedure. Now I will decorate this. So I have decorated one load already. I have left some space in the bottom so that we can easily attach this load on the seat part. So I will show you how to decorate this load. For this I am using some half cut pearls, some ball and stone chains. This is done. So loads are ready. Now I will decorate the back part of the Singhasan. I am leaving approx 2 cm gap in the bottom, so when we will connect our load, so that place should not be covered by the design. So I am adding some teardrop stone shapes around the edge of this Singhasan back. In the center I have added one pink color teardrop. Now I am adding some stones between each teardrop stone. So I have connected all the stones. Now I am adding some golden color ball chains. Let it dry. Now I will connect these loads with the seat part. So just add glue and connect the load. like this. Now add little glue with this load and also add little glue on the edge and connect the back portion of the Singhasan. Hold it for some time and let it dry. Now I am taking the base legs for the Singhasan. For this I am taking 5 mm red strips and I am adding total 4 strips together to make one big tight coil. Like this. Now I am taking my quilling mold and making one dome shape. Make this dome little deeper using your fingers. Tap the center using back side of the tool. So this is done. Now I will add glue inside this dome. Spread this using brush and let it dry for some time. In the same way I have created 3 more legs. So we need total 4 legs. So the Singhasan is completely dried. So I will connect all 4 legs with this. And let it completely dry for some time. Now I will start with Mushak. First I am making the face. For this I am taking one strip of grey color. Here I am using 3 mm strip and making one tight coil. Like this. Now just insert one pencil through this and make a cone shape. Add little glue inside this cone. I have already created one dome using one strip of the grey color. So I am connecting the cone with the dome shape. So that will be the face of Mushak. Now I am starting with the body. For this I am taking total 3 strips of grey color and making one tight coil. Add glue and secure this tight coil. Like this. Now just make a dome shape using your fingers. Tap the center using back side of tool. Add glue inside this and spread this using brush. Using the same 3 strips I have created this cone as we did earlier for the face. Now I will connect this cone with the dome shape. So that will be the body of the Mushak. Now I will connect the body with the face. Like this. Hold it for some time. Now I will show you how to create hands and legs. To create hands I am taking half strip of grey color and making one tight coil. Now just insert one pencil through this and make one bended cone. So hands are ready. To create leg, I have already created one tight coil using 1/4 strip and just making one cone shape. Bend this cone as well. So legs are ready. Now connect hands and legs with the Mushak. Similarly, I will connect on other side. Now I am creating ears. For this I am taking half strip. First make one tight coil. Now just make little dome using your finger and pinch this to create one teardrop shape. So that will be the ear. Now I will connect ears with the Mushak's face. Like this. Now to create tail, I am taking this 1/4 strip of grey color. I have just cut 3 mm strip from the center. First making one coil and just pulling my tool like this. Now just twist this strip using your fingers. So that will be the tail. Now double this tail and connect with the Mushak. Let it dry for some time. I have created small eyes using white and red acrylic color and given one small laddu using yellow color dome shape in the hand of cute Mushak. So now take the Singhasan. So the Singhasan and Mushak are ready. Now I'm just adding all the parts and beautiful Singhasan with Mushak for the Ganesh ji is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.